So what does a typical day look like? You might start your morning reviewing a pull request from a teammate. Basically, someone in your team has written code that defines an entire network environment, the virtual private cloud, VPCs, the subnets, the security rules, the load balancers, all described in a file. You're reviewing that code the same way a software engineer would review an application, checking for mistakes, security gaps, or things that could be done more efficiently. Mid-morning, a development team needs a new environment for a project that they're building. Now, instead of ordering the hardware, which is obviously super expensive and having to set it up and you have to wait for weeks, as a cloud engineer, you can write the code that spins up the infrastructure in minutes. Servers, databases, networking, security, all created automatically and consistently every single time. In the afternoon, you could be looking at cost and performance. You could be consulting to a client about their cloud infrastructure changes, looking at usage, analyzing whether resources are being used efficiently. Maybe some servers are running 24/7 but only need to be running during business hours and you can save some cost there. When I was working in one of my old jobs as a cloud engineer, we would actually shut down all the instances over the weekend because nobody would be working on them, and if they are running, then you're obviously paying for them. So I wrote some code for lower environments that are not production focused. And when I say shutting down environments, I mean lower environments like test environments that are not being used and development environments that people aren't using on the weekend. Obviously, you would never shut down production because they have active users running and applications running. So I wrote some automation code that will run at 5 p.m. on a Friday, which would shut everything down, and then another piece of code that gets everything up and running Monday morning when everyone would be back working.